Okay, hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be considering button types. Okay, this is what we'll be looking at today. So, if you have seen a website where they designed it with buttons of different colors, maybe something like this. Okay, let me start here. Something like this. This is a blue button. Down here, a red button. And then over here, we have a green button. And you want to make your website have these buttons, but then you don't know how to do that or how to do that. I will be doing a complete tutorial showing you step by step on how to do this. So first of all, let's open our IDE. This is it for now. All I did here was just create the basics of HTML, and then I added a reference to my style sheet, that is style.css, and then a reference using Bootstrap. So you have to use Bootstrap if you want to use these button types. So if you don't know how to do this, all you have to do is go into your browser, check the site, type Bootstrap on the search engine, check the site, and then come over here, come down, you see something like this. Okay, so all you have to do is copy this entire thing, copy, come over here, you paste it, and then you edit it to the point where it stops at ref. This is what it should look like, blue or whatever color your IDE is using. So for our title, this is our title for the day. Our header, I think for our header we'll use P, align, center, center. So, and then let me see button types. Okay, so this is what we'll be looking at. Let me save that and check my browser. Okay, this is it, it's already there. So first, let me just dive into it. So the code, if you want to make a reference to a button, is really not that difficult once you have linked it up to Bootstrap. The first thing you need to type in is button. Okay, but then I wouldn't be using button type or button name. What I'll be using for this would be button class. And then the class, I will put in here btn space btn. And then the first button I'll be putting today will be btn dot btn. Okay, so this will just be our normal button. So let's save this and take a look. You see there is nothing around it because it's just plain white. Okay, so there's nothing around this one because it's just plain white. Okay, so the next button type we'll be considering will be, let me copy this and paste this. The next button type will be the default, so btn then dash default. So let's save this and take a look. Instead of normal here, let's put default normal. Okay, also doesn't show. Then the next button we'll be looking at will be primary. Save. Okay, so the normal and the default, there isn't much difference to them. They will just appear as white, pure white. So what the one that has a color change would be from primary. And as you can see, the button, it was a blue button, so let's just type in blue here. Save this, let's refresh. This is the code for a blue button. This is the code for a blue button. Okay. Then our next button type will be success. Success, and then this button type will be green. Save, refresh, and you can see the button appears as green. Okay, so this is good. We're getting the results we expect. Next, our next button type will be info. Info. So let's save this. Take a look at the color it gives us. This is a light blue image. So reminds us of this, exactly this one. So down, let's go. Let me just name this light blue. Save. Then the next will be warning. Okay, and if you can guess what warning color would be like, imagine you approaching a danger sign and then there is warning on it. So what color would that give you now? Let's see that for ourselves. Yellow, as expected. This sign for danger. So this would be a yellow button. Save. Next button will be danger. And in this, you can guess the color for danger. What would that color be? It would be red. Save. Fresh. And finally, the last button type we'll be looking at today will be link. So save this, take a look. Link. It just gives you a reference or the way normal links are. So this is how this is. So let's call this link. And there you have it. That would be all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button for me to keep on making good tutorials on HTML videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.